Want to know my secret to long thick hair? Then stay tuned for the rest of this video. But before we get into it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you. So first we're going to start off with extra virgin olive oil, some raw honey, argan oil, peppermint oil, tea tree oil, mayo, a banana, egg, and avocado. Right here you'll see me smashing up the avocado to get it to a nice smooth consistency. Next, I'm going to add a bit of mayo. And I'm going to cut my banana in half. The more you mix this in, the easier it is to apply it to your hair and to wash out. Right here, you'll see me adding a bit of tea tree oil, peppermint oil, extra virgin olive oil, and argan oil. This helps to add shine to your hair after you rinse the mask out, and it also gives the mask a little lighter consistency. Next, I'm going to go ahead and add 1 whole egg. And I'm going to take my fork and whisk that in. And last but not least, we're going to add some honey. If you have a blender, this whole process can be a lot smoother, but if you don't, this still works. And this is the consistency. So I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair. Next, I'm going to part my hair into 3 sections. It's easier to apply the mask so you can make sure that you coat every section and every strand. Right here, you'll see me applying the mask. First, I go around to my edges, I go into my roots, and then I part in small sections and add it to the length of my hair. This mask did turn out to be really thick, but the results were the same as what it would be if I blended it anymore. I'm going to twist that section back up. And I'll be back in about 2 hours.
2 hours later.
So rinsing this out was definitely an issue for me. I might have left it on a little bit too long. Personally, it might have been a little bit too strong for my hair. But rinsing it out, my hair did feel soft, but it also felt very, very, very strong. Like, I would not try and detangle my hair right after this mask. I would definitely do a deep condition just to soften it up a bit. I also had a hard time getting those banana chunks out, as you can see. So here I'm actually going to blow dry my hair out and get ready for a heating style. You can kind of see that I still have a few chunks of food in my hair, but it's no issue. With the blow dry, it came right out. And this is my blow dry results. And this is my final result after flat iron and curling. Like I said before, this mask is really strong, so I would do this once a month. And if you stay consistent with it, you'll see the results in no time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.